Buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride, as Honda's iconic S2000 is poised to make a triumphant return. This long-awaited comeback, filled with anticipation, holds a surprising twist that will fulfill the dreams of every car enthusiast. The legendary S2000 is often regarded as Honda's finest creation, second only to the mighty NSX. And after nearly 25 years since the original S2000's debut, Honda is preparing to unveil a truly awe-inspiring resurrection. We're expecting the new iteration to not just be a mere facelift, but also a much-necessary performance upgrade. In this video, we have some intriguing details to share that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Will the classic front-engine car, rear-wheel drive roadster make a stunning comeback? Is Honda planning to join forces with another automaker to create a unique platform for the S2000? And how will this new marvel stack up against the likes of the Toyota GR86, the Supra, and even Honda's very own NSX? Well, we have all the answers for you, so let's get started. In the year 1999, the Toyota S2000 was born, and it instantly captivated our hearts and secured its place in the hallowed halls of iconic roadsters. With its uncompromising performance and distinctive character, this phenomenal vehicle surpassed mere transportation. It became a symbol of automotive excellence, leaving an indelible mark on the industry. Equipped with a remarkable 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine, the S2000 offered a harmonious blend of power and precision. Car aficionados fell head over heels for their compact and lightweight design, allowing them to dance effortlessly on the road. The raw performance it delivered was nothing short of extraordinary. As the revered auto reviewer Jeremy Clarkson once declared, the S2000 was an absolute marvel, a remarkable insect among cars. This sentiment echoed far and wide throughout its impressive 10-year production span. The S2000 not only captured the attention of enthusiasts, but also achieved remarkable sales figures, serving as undeniable proof of its widespread popularity. It became a beacon of admiration, propelling Honda into the spotlight as a formidable contender in the fiercely competitive sports car arena. Having achieved global sales surpassing 110,000 units, the departure of the S2000 in 2009 left a void that fans have been yearning to fill ever since. Now, its highly anticipated return is nothing short of monumental, an emotional homecoming of a prodigal son. This revival is set to shake up the automobile industry, igniting a wave of anticipation and excitement that mirrors the exhilarating pulse and heart-racing driving experience the S2000 is renowned for. The winds of change began to blow when Peter Leon, renowned for heading the World Car of the Year panel, expressed his belief in a blog post that the Honda S2000 could make a remarkable comeback. Recent years have witnessed a noticeable trend in the automotive industry, the revival of iconic nameplates. This phenomenon has particularly resonated with Japanese car makers like Toyota and Nissan, as they breathe new life into revered models such as the GTR Z, GR86, GR Supra, and Acura NSX. While it seemed that Honda had made a final decision to retire the S2000, they made a surprising choice to ride the wave of nostalgia. This decision was not impulsive or sudden. Rather, it was influenced by multiple factors. The growing popularity of retro-inspired cars and the persistent clamor from die-hard fans played significant roles in reshaping Honda's strategy. The revival of the S2000 not only pays homage to its enduring legacy, but also sends a resounding message about Honda's capabilities and ambitions. It's a bold and assertive move that showcases Honda's determination to compete and thrive in the ever-evolving electrified automotive landscape. The new Honda S2000, designed to rekindle the spirit of its iconic predecessor, promises to preserve the essence of the original while adapting to the demands of the modern automotive landscape. Honoring the compact and lightweight silhouette of the 2009 model, its overall proportions will remain faithful. To achieve this, Honda may opt for slimmer headlights and incorporate more aluminum and carbon fiber in its construction, aiming to keep the weight below 3,000 pounds. The forthcoming S2000 seeks not only to celebrate the past, but also to pave the way for the future. In addition to reviving the S2000 spirit, Honda is preparing the car to serve as a spiritual successor to another one of its sporty gems, the Honda S660. By bridging the gap between the beloved Roadster and the punchy K-car segment, an intriguing synthesis of performance and practicality may be achieved. As for the design, Honda is likely to adopt a tasteful blend of cues from the 2011 Honda EV Stir concept in the original S2000, striking a balance between nostalgia and innovation. Moving on to the engine. Stringent emissions regulations have shifted the focus away from high-revving, naturally aspirated engines of the past. Instead, the new S2000 is anticipated to harness the power of a turbocharged engine, potentially borrowed from its sibling, the Honda Civic Type R. With a 2-liter Turbo 4 engine, the Civic Type R is capable of generating 326 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque, delivering thrilling performance in line with the S2000's legacy. In this competitive landscape, Honda's comeback with the new S2000 reignites a long-standing rivalry. Arguably, the most prominent contender is the Mazda MX-5 Miata, an evergreen star in the compact sports cars segment. The 4th-generation MX-5, known as the ND, has made a remarkable impact with its lightweight design, rear-wheel drive, and spirited performance. These qualities align with the philosophy of the original S2000, making the rivalry between these two cars even more tantalizing. Both vehicles hold a cherished place in the hearts of car enthusiasts, intensifying the competition and ensuring an exciting battle for supremacy in the realm of compact sports cars. While the Honda S2000 is expected to embrace a turbocharged engine, the Mazda MX-5 remains steadfast in its dedication to the naturally aspirated Skyactiv G 2-liter engine. The MX-5's power plant, though less potent with 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, delivers a direct and linear throttle response that purists truly appreciate. On the other hand, the anticipated Type R-derived turbo engine of the S2000 promises to offer more horsepower, satisfying the cravings of those seeking raw power and speed. In terms of handling, the MX-5, with its lightness and low center of gravity, has long been praised for its balance and agility. However, the Honda S2000 has a storied history of providing a thrilling driving experience, and with its revamp, the return of its precision handling and crisp cornering capabilities are eagerly awaited. Ultimately, the choice between the new Honda S2000 and the Mazda MX-5 may come down to personal preference. Some may value the raw turbocharged power and the legacy of the S2000, while others may favor the MX-5 for its timeless appeal and naturally aspirated thrills. This competition goes beyond a battle of specifications. It's a contest of character, legacy, and the driving joy that each vehicle inspires. Now, when it comes to partnership possibilities, the S2000 project is not solely about resurrecting a classic. It involves strategic alliances. It's important to note that Honda currently lacks a rear-wheel drive platform dedicated to the S2000's return. Considering the high development costs associated with creating a new sports car from scratch, Honda may seek partnerships. One potential collaborator could be General Motors. A Honda-GM partnership could leverage GM's expertise in performance vehicles, offering the necessary resources and technologies to refine the S2000. This alliance could also open doors for joint cost reductions and shared expertise, helping Honda overcome the steep financial and technical challenges that lie ahead. By joining forces, Honda and GM could forge a path towards success, creating a win-win situation for both companies and contributing to the S2000's triumphant revival. In the electrification era and its impact on the S2000, Honda has set forth an ambitious plan to electrify its entire lineup by 2040. This indicates that the S2000 will likely join the ranks of electric vehicles. The GM Ultium platform, designed for a wide range of electric vehicles, could potentially serve as the foundation for the S2000's electric avatar. This advanced EV architecture would enable Honda to create a high-performance electric sports car, a first in its class. Notably, an electrified S2000 would deliver exceptional performance with zero emissions, aligning with the auto industry's sustainability goals. However, there remains a lingering question of whether purist fans will fully embrace this electric shift. The S2000's iconic, high-revving, naturally aspirated engine was a significant part of its charm. Will the thrill of instant electric torque be enough to win them over? Only time will tell how enthusiasts respond to the transition. Walking the tightrope of maintaining the petrol head appeal, Honda recognizes the enduring allure of gas and diesel engines for many consumers. Acknowledging this, Honda affirms its commitment to these traditional powertrains. For the S2000, this could mean offering a gas-powered variant alongside the proposed electric model. This dual offering aims to satisfy both the purists longing for new exhilaration of the original S2000 and the eco-conscious enthusiasts leaning towards cleaner electric performance. By striking a balance between these two worlds, Honda aims to cater to a wider range of preferences and ensure that the S2000 maintains its allure for petrol heads while embracing the advancements of electric technology. Rumors suggest that the highly anticipated new S2000 might grace the roads by 2025, perfectly coinciding with the 25th anniversary of the original model's release. This timing not only pays a fitting tribute to the iconic roadster, but also evokes a strong emotional connection with fans around the globe. The symbolism behind this potential release is potent, sending a clear message that the spirit of the Honda S2000, built on performance and driving pleasure, continues to endure even as it adapts to the evolving needs of a changing world. As we stand on the precipice of a new era for Honda, the return of the S2000 represents a harmonious blend of the past and the future. The revival of this icon, possibly merging the exhilarating performance of the Civic Type R engine with innovative electrification solutions, speaks volumes about Honda's unwavering commitment to both driving pleasure and environmental responsibility. This grand comeback raises exciting questions. Will the rejuvenated S2000 outshine its rivals and reclaim its throne in the segment? Can it captivate the hearts of petrol heads while also winning over the eco-conscious enthusiasts? As we eagerly await the new chapter in the S2000 saga, let us cherish the journey and anticipate the thrill of the ride. Do you think the S2000 can reclaim its legendary status? Be sure to let us know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.